Institutions don't hide their best trades. They execute sweep orders across exchanges instantly, signaling urgency that standard charts completely miss. Options flow tracks millions of dollars entering the market before price moves. Unlike technical indicators that lag behind price action, flow data reveals aggressive positioning by institutional smart money in real time. The most powerful signal is the sweep order. While block trades are large orders often negotiated privately and slowly, sweeps are split across multiple exchanges to fill instantly, signaling immediate directional conviction. However, seeing heavy call volume isn't automatically bullish. You must verify the execution side. Calls bought at the ask indicate aggression, while calls sold at the bid are actually bearish dealer positioning. You must also avoid the hedging trap, where institutions buy puts simply to protect a stock portfolio. To filter this noise, ignore isolated trades and focus on golden sweeps, repeated, large orders hitting the tape rapidly. Never blind follow flow. Use it strictly as confirmation. The highest probability setup occurs when aggressive bullish sweep orders align perfectly with the stock price breaking above a key technical resistance level. Follow the smart money, confirm with price, and trade.